Hey everybody, happy 4th of July. It's that time of year and it's America's 250th birthday. So for that, I made a special dough. You saw Anthony make a savory dough earlier. I'm gonna go a little dessert style. So I'm gonna take that one right there. Okay, nice, good swirl of red, white, and blue. Put that in there. This dough has a lot of strength to it. Lots of air, lots of life. Like we said, this is a 30% biga dough, meaning there's a lot of extra yeast activity. So lots of bubbles, lots of structure. It's a little tight. Look at that color though. Red, white, and blue tie-dye dough. Cut. Stretch this out a little bit more. Nice little tie-dye action going on there. Okay, see all my gluten. All right, so we're gonna blind bake this. First thing I do, little water. I know everyone's like, what is the water for? The water is gonna help the sugar. Okay, we're making a sweet dough. You can do sweet or savory. Good amount of sugar on there. Now, I'm going to dock it. It's going to keep the dough from blowing up too much. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. Here we go. That bad boy right in the middle. All right, let's take a look. Pull it out real quick. Sugar's almost there. I'm getting some nice little bit of golden brown. We're gonna give it another minute, and then we'll take it out. Looks pretty good. We'll do one dome. 1, 2, 3. Come out. All right, onto the plate. Oh, we got our red, white, and blue dough with a little sugar. You can see it caramelized a little bit. We got nice little pockets of caramel in there. This is a cream cheese, whipped ricotta, lemon, vanilla, sugar, etc. mixture. It's kind of like a ricotta cheesecake filling. So we're going to take that. 2 nice dollops of that. Okay. Next, we got some blueberries, because why not? Who am I kidding? We're going to put them all on there. Okay, blue, and then strawberries for the red. Boom. Not done yet. Where is my blueberry sauce? Just because I can. Beautiful. Powdered sugar if necessary, but this is my 4th of July dessert pizza.
Nice.